Ever tried pouring gas from a can and ended up spilling half of it on the ground? Or worse, on yourself? Yeah, we've all been there. The struggle is real when you're dealing with those annoying safety spouts that seem more determined to keep gas inside the can than actually let you use it. That's where gas can spout replacement kits come in. They make refueling easier, faster, and way less frustrating. Today, we're checking out 9 of the best options to help you find the perfect one. All the product links are in the description, so if you see one that suits your needs, go ahead and check it out. Let's get into it. And trust me, once you switch to a proper spout, you'll wonder why you didn't do it sooner. First up, we've got the Godboy Gas Can Spout Kit. Right off the bat, this one stands out because it includes 2 flexible spouts, 2 caps, and a vent kit to ensure smooth fuel flow. The flexibility is a big plus when you need to get into those awkward angles without making a mess. One thing users love about this kit is how easy it is to install. No special tools required. However, some have mentioned that the plastic isn't the thickest, so if you're dealing with frequent use or extreme weather, you might want to consider a more heavy-duty option. Still, for general household use and occasional refueling, this one gets the job done without unnecessary hassle. Next, let's talk about the Mr. Yellow Cap Gas Can Spout Kit. This one has a simple but effective design with a flexible spout that makes pouring smooth and controlled. It also includes an easy-to-use vent cap, which helps prevent that annoying glug-glug effect that happens when air struggles to enter the can while you're pouring. A lot of users appreciate that this kit fits a wide range of gas cans, but one downside people have noted is that the yellow cap can sometimes be a little loose, so you might want to keep an eye on that if you're transporting fuel in rough conditions. That being said, for anyone tired of fighting with factory spouts, this is a massive improvement. Now, if you're looking for something that's built to last, check out the Easy Pour Gas Can Spout Kit. This kit has a reputation for durability, and it's one of the more widely used options out there. The spout is semi-rigid, which means you get a good balance between flexibility and structure. Perfect for those larger gas cans where precision is key. One feature that users rave about is the fact that it comes with different adapter rings, making it compatible with a variety of older gas cans. However, some people have noted that the included vent is a bit small, so if you're pouring thick fuels like diesel, you might need to drill a slightly larger hole for better airflow. If you've ever struggled with slow pours and frustrating fuel flow, this one is a game changer. Moving on, the Rover Aide Gas Can Spout Kit is another great option. What sets this one apart is the extra long spout, which makes it easier to reach deep tanks without awkward positioning. The kit includes a vent cap and a secure screw-on lid, so you won't have to worry about spills during transport. People like that, it's easy to install and works with most standard gas cans, but a few users have mentioned that the plastic material feels a bit stiff, making it slightly harder to maneuver in tight spaces. If you often need to refuel equipment with tricky access points, this one could be a great pick. The CM Concepts Gas Can Spout Kit is a great choice if you want a no-nonsense reliable spout that won't leak. This one includes a flexible spout, a durable cap, and a venting system that helps prevent fuel from getting stuck mid-pour. Users have reported that it works especially well for older gas cans that no longer have their original spouts. One minor complaint is that the threading on the caps might require some adjusting to get a perfect seal, but once it's on, it does a great job of preventing leaks. If you've got a stash of older gas cans sitting around, this kit might just bring them back to life. Now, I actually use the KP Cool Products Universal Gas Can Spout Kit myself, and I can vouch for how convenient it is. The spout is long and flexible, which makes it easy to pour fuel without awkward positioning, and the venting system works really well to prevent gurgling or slow pours. One of the best parts about this kit is its wide compatibility. It fits most older gas cans, which is a lifesaver if you have a mix of different brands. If I had to nitpick, I'd say the included caps could be a little sturdier, but overall, this has been my go-to replacement kit for a while now. Honestly, after using this, I can't imagine ever going back to the frustrating stock spouts that come with modern gas cans. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option, the Phry Gas Can Spout Kit is worth checking out. It includes a flexible spout and a basic vent cap, making it a simple but effective solution for replacing a broken or annoying stock spout. Users like that, it's easy to install and works with most gas cans, but some have noted that the plastic quality isn't the highest. If you only need a replacement for occasional use though, this is a solid choice. Plus, for the price, it's a great backup to have just in case your main spout ever fails. The Easy Pour Rigid Replacement spout and vent is a bit different from the others because it features a completely rigid spout instead of a flexible one. This design is great for precision pouring, especially for small tanks where you don't want to risk fuel splashing out. A lot of people appreciate how sturdy and well made it is, but the downside is that since it's not flexible, you need to position your gas can just right to get a smooth pour. If you don't mind that trade-off, this is one of the best rigid spouts out there. It's particularly useful if you often refill motorcycles, generators, or anything that requires controlled fueling. Finally, we have the KP Cool Products Gas Can Spout Flexible. This one is similar to the universal version, but it's specifically designed for people who prefer a fully bendable spout. It includes a venting system to improve flow and reduce spills, and it's compatible with a wide range of gas cans. One thing that stands out about this model is that the spout has a slightly wider opening, which makes it great for pouring fuel quickly. Users love how easy it is to use, but some have mentioned that the cap threading could be better. If speed is a priority when refueling, this might be exactly what you need. So, which one should you go for? If you want an easy-to-use, flexible spout that works on almost any gas can, the KP Cool Products Universal Gas Can Spout Kit is a solid choice. Plus, I can personally recommend it. If you need something extra sturdy, the Easy Pour Gas Can Spout Kit or the CM Concepts Gas Can Spout Kit are great options. For those who prefer a rigid spout, the Easy Pour Rigid Replacement Spout is worth considering. And if budget is your priority, the Phry Gas Can Spout Kit will get the job done without breaking the bank. Whichever one you pick, you'll be saving yourself from future refueling nightmares. Before making a choice, think about how often you'll be using it. If you're frequently refueling lawnmowers, ATVs, or generators, a durable, vented spout will make your life a lot easier. Also, consider the type of gas cans you already own, as some of these kits come with multiple adapters, while others are more limited in compatibility. And lastly, don't underestimate the importance of a good venting system. A well-vented spout can cut your pouring time in half and prevent annoying fuel splashes. No matter which one you choose, upgrading your gas can spout is a simple way to make refueling easier, cleaner, and way less frustrating. All the product links are in the description, so check them out if you want to grab one for yourself. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you've had any funny or disastrous experiences with stock gas can spouts. See you in the next one. And remember, life's too short to fight with bad gas spouts.